Welcome. If you've ever missed an important moment on Discord because you didn't hear the notification, today's guide is just for you. In this video, I'll show you how to enable notification sounds for when you're invited to speak on Discord web, right from your PC. With the latest update, Discord has made it even easier to customize your notification experience. So let's jump right in and make sure you never miss another invite. First, open up Discord in your browser. You can do this by heading to discord.com and logging into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a little gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the user settings menu, look for the notifications tab on the left-hand side. Click on Notifications to open up all your notification preferences. This section is where you can control exactly how and when Discord notifies you about different events. Scroll down until you see the Sounds section. Discord has added a bunch of new sound options, and this is where you'll find the setting for invited to speak. This feature is especially useful if you participate in stage channels or regularly join discussions where you might be invited to speak. Find the toggle labeled Invited to Speak. If it's turned off, simply click it to enable the sound. Once this is on, you'll hear a distinct notification whenever someone invites you to speak in a channel. This can be a game changer for moderators, speakers, or anyone who doesn't want to miss their chance to join the conversation. And that's it. You've now enabled notification sounds for invited to speak on Discord web. With this quick update, you'll always be in the loop and ready to jump into the action. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.